Hi, I'm Felicia Loo. Let's talk about managing a fire in your food processing facility. First, ensure everyone's safety. Quickly and safely evacuate all employees from the facility. Remember, their well-being comes first. Next, protect your food products. Seal off storage and processing areas to prevent contamination and damage. For business continuity, activate your contingency plan. Consider alternate sites or schedules to minimize disruption and keep your operations on track. As a QA manager, your preparation today protects your team and your business tomorrow. If you're facing challenges with your HACCP plan or SQF certification, we're here to support you. We also assist with CFIA and FDA requirements. Contact us anytime for help. Together, we can ensure your business stays strong, no matter the crisis.